We got the wheels, man, we got the wheels. Just push it in and it's gonna be good. So the guys over at GT Omega have released a brand new chair. This is their Element series that we're gonna be building and unboxing today. I'll give you guys my opinion about it, of course. But the chair I've been using in this setup pretty much since the start of me living in this apartment. The moment I moved in here, they actually sent over their GT Omega Sport chair, which I must say has been my absolute favorite chair from their lineup. I've tried out quite a few chairs from GT Omega in the past, and this one by far is my favorite. Like a really nice chair, especially if you kind of like recline it back just a little bit. It's a really comfortable chair to sit in, and I've really enjoyed using it. But they have released a brand new chair, their Element series, that we're gonna build today. So it came in 2 boxes here. We're gonna unbox it all, see what's up. But that chair looks very different to this GT Omega Sport. So I'm really quite interested to see how this chair is going to compare against their brand new one, as I really like the GT Omega Sport. Like, I really do like this chair, and I don't know if I'm actually switch over to the Element series. I probably will, but we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. So let's get the old karambit knife here and begin unboxing this chair, man, because this has been sitting in storage for so long now. Like, they released their Element series chair a little while ago. Right, let's begin with the smaller box. What's in here? So we got the GT Omega instructions here, chair assembly guide. Ooh, a bunch of screws. We got the 5-point chair thingy. Yep. Look at this packaging, man. This is insane. So this entire piece is all metal. Feels very nice. We got the wheels, man. We got the wheels, and they're very easy to install, man. You just kind of like push it in. Can I do this with one hand? You can. You can legit build this thing by one hand, man. Just push it in and it's gonna be good. I wonder how fast I can actually build this chair. So I'm gonna time myself. There we go. Timer has started. How fast can I build this GT Omega chair, dude? Let's find out. So I've already kind of began by putting these 2 legs on and kind of unboxing a little bit. But we're gonna try to do a speed build. How quickly can I assemble this chair? Come on, man. Okay, so this is all ready. That's all done. What else do we have inside of here? We got some screws, 2 wrenches. That's gonna go in like that. Whoa, okay, this is the gas piston. That's important. We can maybe put that in right now. So there we go, dude. Gas piston is in. That's installed as well. Let's check out this chair guide right here. Chair assembly, dude. GT Omega. Damn, dude. We got step-by-step instructions. Check this out. So building your chair is going to be easier than ever before. If you ever get lost, look back at this. It even has chair adjustment instructions. Are you mad? Damn, dude. All right. That actually looks really nice. Wow, okay. Maybe this chair is actually going to be like significantly better than the one I'm using now, because this actually looks like pretty freaking nice so far. Ooh, I do like that they're using white stitching. It looks lovely. It came so well packaged, literally like all over the box. There's padding like absolutely everywhere. We got the lumbar support. Well, this is fancy. Whoa, dude, the material, how would I describe this even? It's like super soft. Ooh, it's got like memory foam in a way, to be honest. Damn, man. Yo. Nah, this is actually sick. So, right here, yeah, we got the armrests, but these are GT Omega cushions for your armrests. And these are genuinely like so soft. This is sick, man. GT Omega stepping up their comfort games over here. Wow, now how's the headrest? All right. So it's got the same type of like really soft material for the headrest. Pretty much the same material found on the lumbar support. But man, this is hella nice. All right, let's get one of the main parts of the chair out of here. So, ooh, okay. Well, the leather, well, this is like not real leather, but feels nice, man. Feels nice. I'm assuming for the majority of the chair, they use some kind of like breathable material, and hopefully that's gonna help with, you know, not making you sweat or anything. But yeah, feels pretty nice, feels pretty soft. This is a very different type of like gaming chair, I'd say. Very different to the Sport in almost every way so far. Different in a good way though. Very subtle branding, as I can see. No like in-your-face gamery vibes, I guess. A lot more professional, I would say. But at the same time, without sacrificing comfort, as the chair looks nice, feels pretty nice too, like well built, pretty sturdy. So let's get this bit What's in this box? So, okay, we got one of the armrests, which is pretty much identical to the one found on the Sport, but the Sport doesn't come with them cushioned armrests. So this is gonna be a little bit of an improvement. Another armrest. What you gotta do is remove these screws right here. And then do the same on the other side as well. Oh my God, man. All right, man, we are 38 minutes in. The chair is like 99% complete. Hey, we gotta put this inside. There we go. I think we built it. Don't fall, please don't break. Okay, everything seems okay. See, last time, every single time I've built a chair myself, when I go to sit down in it, I just expect the whole thing to just fall apart and me to just fall on the floor. It hasn't happened yet. And I think once again we've successfully built... Oh man, that nearly happened. Rebuilt. Oh, this is actually hella comfy though. Bruh, this is hella comfy, man. Tell you what, I think this is an actual improvement. Let's put the cushions on here as well, yeah? Ooh, okay. Oh my God. Yeah, these are genuinely like really soft. I don't know if I'm gonna use them. Maybe I will use them because this is actually like extra comfort. So chances are I'm gonna keep the cushions on here. I like them, man. Feel nice. Let's put the headrest on here as well, yeah? Now, oh man, dude, this is a sick chair. This is genuinely a sick chair, man. Let's put the lumbar support on here too, see how that feels. I don't know if I'll be using the actual lumbar support in this chair. It's freaking soft, dude, I'll give him that. It's soft as hell. Big improvement, I'd say, over the Sport, which we have literally right here. Should you get the Sport or the Element series chair, how do these two chairs actually compare against each other? So the Sport, man, I do like this chair though. Like, this is a nice chair as well. But I feel like this is the nicer chair. If I had the option to sit in this all day or the Sport, I think I would go with the Element series, man. I feel like it could be because this is like a brand new chair, obviously, and it feels nicer. But this chair, even though it's, I think, around 9 or 10 months old at this point, it still feels like a really, really good chair. Like, zero problems with the GT Omega Sport over the entire time I've owned it. It's been a good chair. Absolutely nothing went wrong with it. But I feel like the Element series is a little bit more comfy, man, especially with these armrests. Really, really nice headrest. The lumbar support, I would say, is probably the one thing I'm not too keen on in terms of design. I think I would prefer to sit in this chair without the lumbar support. It just kind of feels nicer for me. But this right here is 100% going to be my brand new chair. Very stealthy branding as well. Like I mentioned, even on the headrest, super stealthy, super nice chair. Very professional looking, I'd say. And on the back, there's just one GT Omega logo here. But the entire chair, man, well built. I like the white stitching, the contrast here, and the material. Let me give you guys a little bit of a close-up on what's going on here. But as you can see, there's a bunch of like little dots everywhere. So hopefully this is going to be like a very breathable material, and this kind of pattern continues on all the way up here. So really, really nice chair. And as you can see, the type of material they used for the headrest can actually be found on the sides of the chair right here. Ooh! How far can we go? Jeez, see, this is getting to the point where like I feel like I might flip. You could sleep in this, man. See, I am worried. I'm scared for my life down here. But it hasn't flipped. It hasn't flipped. No! How is the chair not flipped? Bruh. You can use the GT Omega Element series as a good bed. It's pretty comfortable, especially the headrest. Being completely honest here though, if I were to ever need to use this chair as a bed, I don't think I'd be complaining. This is very comfortable. Like, I could easily sleep in this chair. This is great bed, dude. 10 out of 10. And I've somehow managed to turn off the LED light strip in my desk using this chair. But check that out, dude. Everything works really well. GT Omega Element series won't let you down. Quality chair. Good job, GT Omega. And if you guys want to buy a chair from GT Omega as well, and also support the channel, because I'll get a kickback if you use my code, but you're going to save some money as well. You can use code TechBlock to save yourself 5% off your entire order when buying a GT Omega chair. I would recommend either the GT Omega Sport, as this is still a very good chair in my opinion. And if you're after a little bit of a stealthier look for your chair and maybe just like this entire design a lot more, this is definitely a good chair to go with in my opinion. Quality stuff, man. Quality chair from GT Omega right here. Apart from that though, links will be down below in the description to both the Sport and the Element Series chair in case you want to go buy them on GT Omega. Alright, thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.